Good morning, student. I am Pankaj Dubey, Assistant Professor from SIRT EC Department. Today, I will teach the addressing mode for 8086 microprocessor. Addressing mode for data memory. So now I will explain the first addressing modes, immediate addressing modes. In this mode, the operand is specified in the instructions itself. So now the first example given in the screen, the move CL12H. So now the move is a mnemonics indicate the data transfer mode, and CL is a 8-bit general purpose register and 12 is a immediate data in the instructions. Now the instructions are denote the 12 immediately data transfer into the CL register. Now the 12 is a hexadecimal number and it is also a 8-bit number, and CL is also a 8-bit register. Now the CL register is a 8-bit register and present on the internal architecture of the 8086 microprocessor. Now the second example is move BX1234H. Now the 1234H is a hexadecimal number. It is a 16-bit number and BX is also a 16-bit register. BX is a 16-bit register of the general purpose register of internal architecture of the 8086 microprocessor. The general purpose register is a AX, BX, CX, DX. It is a 16-bit register, and AX, BX, CX, DX is also a bifurcated by AX is AL, AH. AL is a lower bit of register and AH is a higher bit of register of AX register. And BX, BL is a lower bit of BX register and BH is a higher bit of BX register. Now the CX divide in CL and CH. CL is a lower bit of CX register and CH is a higher bit of CX register. And the DX is also divided in BL and BH. BL is a DL is a lower bit of DX register and DH is a higher bit of DX register. So now we use the BX. BX is a 16-bit register and 1, 2, 3, 4 also is a 16-bit of immediate data. Now the instructions move BX, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now these instructions are moves 1, 2, 3, 4 immediately data transfer into BX register. So next instructions and next mode is a register addressing modes. So register addressing modes. In these modes, operands are specified in the register. So using both register in both operands. So data transfer instructions use the two operands. First, immediate addressing modes. First operand is a general purpose register and second operand is a immediate data. Now the second modes is a register addressing modes. First operand is a general purpose register and second operand also is a general purpose register. Now the first example, move CL, DL. CL is a 8-bit register and DL is also is a 8-bit register. So moves data of DL register into CL register. So DL register data transfer to the CL register. DL register data carry 8-bit of register, 8-bit of data, and CL register also carry 8-bit of data. So now the DL register of 8-bit data can be transferred into CL register. Now the second example, move AX, BX. Now the AX is a 16-bit register and BX also is a 16-bit register. So the 16-bit of data from BX register is transferred to the AX register. So these are the two modes. I will explain the next mode in our next video lecture. Thank you.